Manufacturers of PT100, PT1000, RTD, NTC, and thermocouples know how challenging welding can be when temperature control is inconsistent. The TATE PT100 welding machine solves these issues with advanced welding technology and superior heat control. Our machine maintains stable temperature regulation, preventing damage caused by fluctuating heat levels during the welding process. This results in strong, reliable welds that ensure the longevity and performance of your temperature sensors. With easy calibration and minimal maintenance, the TATE PT100 is designed to improve your productivity without compromising quality. Solve your welding challenges today with the TATE PT100 welding machine. As the trusted source manufacturer, we promise high-quality solutions and exceptional support. Subscribe, like, comment, and share for more.